Students sometimes lose marks because of the silly mistakes. University of Minnesota has conducted a research like how students can overcome on silly mistakes, right? So I am going to give you few tips which were mentioned in the University of Minnesota research, like how you can overcome on that. Number one thing is regularly ask yourself, while attempting a practice paper, regularly ask yourself, like, does the answer make sense? Right? This is one of the main thing. Second thing is, before submitting your work, always check your signs, such as if it's a math one, plus sign, minus sign, and if it's English or any other subject, you can check your spelling mistakes as well, right? The third point which have been mentioned in research is like frequently test yourself. Instead of just reading notes, always test yourself. Then study over multiple days. Don't just study on one day like 10 hours. No, study over multiple days. Make a schedule and study over multiple days, right? Always reserve 5 to 10 minutes at the end of the test to check your mistakes. That's very important, so you can overcome on silly mistakes that way as well. Another thing is, in the test, highlight words such as accept or calculate or explain or elaborate, and make sure you work on those ones, right? That's very important. The next point, which is very important, is students make mistakes on easy questions. It's very common, right? So be very careful with the easy question. Always double check your work, right? That's very important. The next point, which is very important, is like record every mistake that you are making, and then why you are making it, right? Record it and recheck your low confidence question, right? If you are not sure about the answer of one particular question, recheck it, right? And always do time practice. Time practice is very important when you're doing practice papers, right? In mathematical questions, estimate the answers range as well. Just in your mind, estimate what can be the answer, right? And also read aloud, after completing your work, read aloud what you have written, right? Sometimes you will spot some grammatical mistakes or other types of spelling mistakes as well. After each practice paper, analyze what mistakes did I make, right? So overcome on that as well. Don't remember, this is very important, like don't come under pressure, right? Treat practice paper as a learning. This is very important. So this is the research which was conducted by University of Minnesota, like how you can overcome on silly mistakes. And remember, silly mistake is one of the main thing where students lose marks. So I'm sure this video has helped you. So if it has helped you, so please remember to press the follow button and also press the like button as well. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.